Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen odokne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ewi weche mag ndhiyo oganda ma yande osebedo ka timore e pacho kaendi ka okoni sirikal ochiwore mar neno ni timbe mag ndhiyo oganda orumo e pacho kaendi. Twak mare kod jopiny gi apisas mag arita e kind romo mar 13 mar lalruok ewi weche arita motisi ni jukwaa la usalama e kaunti ma Marsabit. Murkomen okoni jomoko sani koro loko wachno mane jatend piny Kenya wacho ewi tieko timbe mag teko oganda. Olero ni tieko timbe dhiyo oganda ok nyis ni jatend piny owuon emane nyaka tim tijno, to nitiere bedo migepe moko kod okenge moseketi e tieko maundu koting'o nyaka ohand yedhe mag mero ji e pacho ka.
I think many people misunderstood the president, and I've seen that it's been taken out of context when he said that we have stopped abductions and that people have been returned to their homes. The fact that we are saying as government, we have been able to stop abductions. It's the same way I have told you here. We have been able to stop illegal mining in Moyale. It's the same way we have told you we have been able to stop drug trafficking or reduce drug trafficking in this area. It doesn't mean that we were the ones doing it. Saying we have stopped does not mean we were doing. When we say so, the IG and the National Police Service is under policy direction of the executive led by the president to make sure that the country is safe. The day-to-day operation will go on, and as you know, the National Police Service is carrying out investigations. The DCI is carrying out investigations. People who have been found to have been involved in the abductions must be arrested and charged in court of law. In some cases, like Nakuru, the case of Brian Odhiambo, and as I promised when I went to Nakuru, the officers who were involved in arresting him or who were seen with him last have already been arrested and charged in a court of law.
Duol matayo chenro mag obila oyango ni gisegoyo kogno chenro mar ndiko obila manyien e tich kokalo e yor mbui. Chenro